I eat an apple every day.
I eat an apple every day.
She runs fast in the park.
She runs fast in the park.
The children play with toys.
The children play with toys.
The cat jumps on the table.
The cat jumps on the table.
He reads a book before bed.
He reads a book before bed.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
She draws a picture of a house.
She draws a picture of a house.
The baby sleeps in the crib.
The baby sleeps in the crib.
They sing a happy song.
They sing a happy song.
We talk on the phone every night.
We talk on the phone every night.
The kids dance to the music.
The kids dance to the music.
I cook dinner for my family.
I cook dinner for my family.
They walk to school together.
They walk to school together.
Please sit on the chair.
Please sit on the chair.
Look at the beautiful sky.
Look at the beautiful sky.
Listen to the birds singing.
Listen to the birds singing.
I open the door for my friend.
I open the door for my friend.
Please close the window.
Please close the window.
She smiles when she sees her puppy.
She smiles when she sees her puppy.
He drinks water after playing.
He drinks water after playing.
We clean our room every Saturday.
We clean our room every Saturday.
Can you help me with my homework?
Can you help me with my homework?
They watch TV after dinner.
They watch TV after dinner.
I buy fruits from the market.
I buy fruits from the market.
She cuts the paper with scissors.
She cuts the paper with scissors.
He is studying for his test right now.
He is studying for his test right now.
She speaks English and German.
She speaks English and German.
They ask questions during the meeting.
They ask questions during the meeting.
She sweeps the floor every morning.
She sweeps the floor every morning.
She plants flowers in the garden.
She plants flowers in the garden.
He ties his shoes before going outside.
He ties his shoes before going outside.
They go to school by bus.
They go to school by bus.
He stops the car at the red light.
He stops the car at the red light.
He is juggling 4 balls.
He is juggling 4 balls.
The child swings on the playground.
The child swings on the playground.
The baby crawls on the floor.
The baby crawls on the floor.
He is fishing by the lake.
He is fishing by the lake.
I meet my friends at the park.
I meet my friends at the park.
She wears a hat on sunny days.
She wears a hat on sunny days.
We celebrate birthdays with cake.
We celebrate birthdays with cake.
We visit our grandparents every Sunday.
We visit our grandparents every Sunday.
We are planning a surprise party for his birthday.
We are planning a surprise party for his birthday.
The children slide down the playground slide.
The children slide down the playground slide.
She whispers a secret in my ear.
She whispers a secret in my ear.
She gives me a gift on my birthday.
She gives me a gift on my birthday.
She drives to work every morning.
She drives to work every morning.